If you're not using Nova to trade Solana Memecoins, you're setting yourself up to lose money. Nova has continuously released feature after feature to help ensure that you're able to get into trades as fast as humanly possible. Latest release was your ability to now buy directly from Discord using Nova. So with Nova, you're able to buy directly off Discord, buy directly off X, snipe migration, set auto sells, use full copy trading features. They'll have an AFK bot for dev releases and sniper tasks. Nova has established itself as a major player in this space, and most respected traders are using it, so there's no reason for you to not jump on board. Knowing all the features that Nova has and knowing that some of the best traders in the game are currently utilizing Nova every day to make thousands and thousands in profit, let's make sure you know how to set up Nova Click to get it enabled on your Discord, and so that you're able to use it everywhere that you would like to trade. To access all Nova features most efficiently, you're going to want to make sure that you download the Vivaldi browser. Vivaldi will allow you to resize all of your panels so you can have X up, Discord, Telegram, as well as your normal browser window. So our very first step, download and install Vivaldi. Set Vivaldi as your default browser if you'd like. To maximize your screen space, keep your tabs at the bottom, but it is personal preference, so feel free to change this to whatever you'd like. On the address bar, go to Chrome extensions, click to go to the Chrome Web Store. The first thing to download is Hide Discord Sidebar. The Hide Discord Sidebar does for you is when enabled, it's going to auto-hide this sidebar so that you don't have to see it. You're able to maximize your space that way. In addition, you're also able to hide the servers. You can click this button up top next to the search bar in the top right. Click Hide Servers, Show Servers. Now right click, hit Move Tab, and then to New Window to open a separate window so that you can launch Discord separately. We got Discord hanging out with Hide Servers, and then we'll finish cleaning that all up in a bit. So now hop into Telegram. And you should be prompted to log in with your phone when you click this Telegram icon. Go ahead and do that to hook up Telegram. If you have not already done so, in the Nova bot, hit Start, click Nova Click, and then click Guide, open. Here it's going to take you to the Documents page for Nova Click, and then hit Chrome Extension Workaround. And these are the steps to follow to install the extension. I have a video link that walks through it. But pretty much, you're just going to download, go to Vivaldi extensions, make sure that you have developer mode on, and you will load unpacked the downloaded extension file. Then hop over to click.tradeonnova.io, connect, authenticate, and it'll say success. In Telegram, click the Nova icon, hit enable. It'll refresh your page, and then you can see in Alpha Chat that all the Rick bots have a buy option right underneath. So this will send a buy order straight to your Nova bot. So I've got that one pinned over there. The next thing you likely would want to have is if you have a Twitter tracker is to pop that open into another tab and keep that over here as well so that you got both an Alpha Chat and the Twitter tracker up and running. I saw a video by another creator that had an extension to filter out your Xfeed. No shade to them. However, I usually don't run extensions unless it's like a known dev that built it out because of concerns of installing. And so in this case, I just used a user script to filter out my Xfeed. It seems to be working right now. I didn't put too much time into building out the user script, so I may not actually fully do what I'm expecting, but you can definitely see here it's working in the sense that you can see that these gray blocks in the timeline or these gray breaks in the timeline are posts hidden from the feed because they didn't meet the filter criteria. And the filter criteria is basically just that it has a $sign or that it has a continuous string of text that's 32 to 44 characters. So I used a user script for that. If you're interested in using that too, you could just install TamperMonkey from the Chrome Web Store. Obviously, you already have your Chrome extensions on developer mode since you have Nova Click installed. You'll run over to create new script, paste my script here, file, save. When you refresh X with the extension and the script enabled, it should filter out some posts. So you see more tickers and CAs. But yeah, as you can see, NovaClick is now running, and you can see that you can buy directly from X. You can buy directly from Discord. We've got Nova still set up here. I've got my TG still here, so I can jump into other alpha chats if I wanted to here in this window. Obviously, keep a tab open for X. You can look at new pairs on BullX and snipe from there. You can look at new pairs in Photon, buy from there. GMGN, buy from there, as well as looking straight at Pump Fund and buy straight from there as well. Yeah, so it's working in all those places. You're able to quickly snipe directly using Nova. And so you've got to understand that now that this is out, there is no reason for you to not have this enabled. It's going to make you faster. And as a shameless plug again, I've got my Daily Trends Kings of Pump Fund dashboard, which is covering volume, which is covering what tokens have migrated, what market cap, how many are at that market cap, top profit realized for BullX, Photon, Nova, and Bloom, average fees, and top traded tokens. And so hopefully these are all tools that you find useful in being able to trade. And if there's any other tools that you would like to see, especially as I'm trying to build out the community Discord, please let me know. I offer my knowledge for free because that's essentially how I learned. If there are other things that you would find helpful to know, definitely feel free to ask in the comments, and I'm happy to help you out as best as I can. Happy trading. Stay blessed.